In this problem, we are going to go ahead and solve for the missing side of a right triangle. And because we know it's a right triangle, we know that we can go ahead and use the Pythagorean theorem to solve it. So if I write down the Pythagorean theorem, we've got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The most important part is in getting started is just identifying your hypotenuse and your legs. So remember, we first want to look for where is the right angle located, and we can see it right here in the upper right-hand corner. And our hypotenuse is always directly across from that right angle. So we know x is going to be our hypotenuse, which means we can go ahead and label that C. We're going to be looking for the hypotenuse, and then it does not matter which leg we label A and which leg we label B. But doing it in this order, we're going to go ahead and plug in 12 squared plus 16 squared, and we want that to be equal to c squared, which in this case is going to be x. So we're going to say x squared. If I simplify my exponents, I get 144 plus 256, and that's equal to our unknown side squared. Adding up the two legs, we end up with 400 equals x squared. And then remember, to get rid of this exponent, to get rid of a square, we're going to go ahead and take the square root of both sides, because whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. And it's nice because 400 is in fact the perfect square of 20. So in this case, we found that our missing side is equal to 20 inches.